there, Allie here from bakingamoment.com. It's summertime and it is hot, but that doesn't mean you have to go without dessert. There are lots of no-bake options, and this one is one of my very favorites. No-bake cheesecake. You're gonna love it because it's so cool and creamy and fluffy with just a hint of vanilla and just a little bit of that cream cheese tang. It pairs perfectly with the buttery, slightly cinnamony graham cracker crust. And the filling is so quick and easy to make. It only has 5 simple ingredients. The whole thing is prepped in about 15 minutes. What could be better? To make this easy recipe, start with the crust. In a large bowl, place graham cracker crumbs, a little bit of light brown sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, some kosher salt, and a stick of melted butter. If you didn't know, you can buy graham cracker crumbs already crushed up. I usually find them in the baking aisle. Mix all these ingredients together just until the butter is evenly incorporated. Then tip the mixture into a springform pan. A springform pan is kind of an essential for this. Because it's not baked, it's a little on the softer side, so being able to remove the cheesecake from the pan easily is kind of a must. A springform pan will let you undo the clamp and pull the sides away from the cheesecake. Super simple. Press the graham cracker mixture into an even layer in the bottom of the springform pan. I like to use the bottom of a measuring cup to do this. It keeps your hands clean and it makes it nice and flat. Now it's time for the cheesecake filling. Pop 3 bricks of cream cheese into the bowl of your mixer and work in the powdered sugar. You're probably gonna need to scrape down the sides and bottom of your mixing bowl a few times throughout this process. This is gonna avoid any lumps in your cheesecake. Now it's time for the heavy cream. Make sure you're using heavy whipping cream. If you live in Europe, this might go by the name double cream. Half and half won't work, milk won't work, light cream won't work. You need that high fat content. While the mixer is running on medium speed, start to slowly drizzle in the cream. Once all the cream has been added, turn the mixer up to high speed and whip it until it's really fluffy and full of volume, and it can hold a stiff peak. Be careful not to over whip or it might get runny. As soon as you see those peaks forming, cut off the mixer, you're good. Now you can just fold in a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of vanilla to give it that extra nice flavor. Transfer the filling into the springform pan over the graham cracker crust. Spread it into a nice, even layer. And chill it in the fridge. It's gonna need a minimum of 2 hours chilling in the fridge, but personally, I like to give it overnight. Once it's had a chance to chill and you've removed the sides from your springform pan, it can be cut into slices, garnished, and enjoyed. A few fresh berries makes it extra pretty, and a little dollop of whipped cream is so nice. Remember to stay cool this summer and enjoy your no-baked desserts. This no-bake cheesecake is perfect for a summer night out on the patio. If you like baking and cooking, or if you just like watching food videos, be sure to hit like and subscribe so that you can be notified every time I come out with a new one.